Plaid Patrol, we need your help.
We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
attitude,
Integrity,
determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool. We gotta go. Excuse us. Plaid Patrol. Who's the culprit?
I bet it's this one. That's the one who called it in, dummy.
It was her, the one checking out.
Make sure you get your juice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt, but we seem to have a problem here.
What's the problem, officer?
The problem is that this gal right here has something up her sleeve.
Hey, watch it!
This right here.
What do you think you're doing, sister?
I've never seen that in my life. I don't know how it got there.
That's what they all say. Come with us.
All right, sit down, punk. We're gonna have a little chat.
We want to talk to you about a little thing called integrity.
Yeah, what about it?
What about it?
So are we just repeating each other now?
So are we just repeating each other now? Look, that's enough. That's enough. This is a serious thing going on here. Stealing is no joke.
Look, it was just one juice box. What's the big deal?
The big deal is if you're able to steal this, what else are you capable of?
Hey, wait a second. Look.
Okay, maybe it was a couple of juice boxes.
Integrity is about having respect for others' property and materials, even if it's your school's.
Yeah, you're lucky we're not gonna send you to juvie. We could do that, you know.
Look, I don't want any trouble. It'll never happen again.
But do you understand why it was wrong?
Yeah, I get it now.
I think you should apologize to the lunch lady.
Yeah, I'll do that. Look, I'm really sorry. It'll never happen again, I promise.
That's okay, baby. Got me through.
Thanks, Plaid Patrol.
No problem, son.
They grow up so fast, and they win.
Till next time, Plaid Patrol, roll out.